Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I tried this new SMC technique with the forex trading strategy I had invented for myself, which I used to pass this my account, and what I saw shocked me. I want to show you guys real quick. So I have been trading SMC for a couple of months now, SMC ICT, because I learned from ICT first. I know a lot of you guys have been learning from ICT. So I traded gold, I traded NAS 100, and a lot of other pairs where I didn't really know. Like, I was trying to figure out myself. Then I did figure out myself. I chose UUSD and GBP as the only two pairs I was going to trade. But one thing was a problem. They were correlating pairs, which means you can't pick two setups at the same time. The only thing you can do is pick one and trade one. If you hit SL, you are done. So then I used that to pass my trading phase 1 and phase 2. Then something happened. I found out that my win rate was very low. Very low. So I had to look for a way to increase my win rate. But then after I increased my win rate, another problem came up. I was not trading as frequently as I used to. In fact, let me go to the chat. Let me go to the chat and show you guys how trading has been after I discovered what I discovered. And the trick, I will show you the video. So, trading view. So I want to show you guys the cheat code which I am using in trading that allows me to pass a lot and also increase my win rates. And the cheat code is the dollar index, and if you are trading yen pairs, it is the yen index. Now I explained this, but my mic wasn't recording, so I have to explain it again. 4-hour time frame, where are you? There you are, ASAP. So what am I looking for? I have to erase this. I have to erase this. Let's do this again. Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, what I want to see is this. Price creates a high in do not disturb. So price should create a high, then drop with momentum without a reverse candle inside that momentum candle. Then I want price to go back into that zone, test on the other block, the breaker block or the other block, then react. But in this case, since there's no mitigation, probably the breaker block, then don't. That is what I want to see on the higher time frame. That is basically it. Then on the lower time frame, which is most likely or most of the times the 30 minutes, inside this zone, I want to see something like this. I should go back a little up, then basic smart money concept technique. So directional bias ICT kind of way, and entry or structure kind of model is SMC. Entry is SMC, but directional bias is ICT. I feel so. So this is my inducement, and inside this inducement, what am I looking for? Order block here or breaker block is made in the London session. I expect this inducement to be made in the Tokyo session, which is making people, early sellers, sell so that during London session it will take them out, then reverse. Maybe London will take them out, then New York will reverse that price action. So this would be like what do you call it? This would be like an accumulation, a manipulation, and a distribution. And that's kind of vague, but yes, that's kind of the way I trade. And if this is Tokyo session breaker, which I think the market is going to use, the inducement should be London session or New York session. And when I see things like this, I always go to my bias. As you guys can see, this was made where, look at this, we had our breaker block, market did not get to it, so we just leave. And we also had this particular one, market came, gave us, I have to go to 30 minutes to show you, but Look at the way this structure was broken. If you look at the way that structure was broken with momentum, full body 4-hour candle, no reverse candle inside for market to break structure to the upside, then we reverse inside to the other block, then dump massively. The same thing has to go for this particular zone. Look at the way we broke with momentum and price reacted to the other block, even though this was just a liquidity sweep. So we just go to the 30-minute and I'll show you guys more. Yeah. So this was it. On my session, you guys can see the other block happened in London, so Tokyo has to be taken out, and this is our Tokyo liquidity. When it happens like this, we have to go to our pair that we want to correlate the dollar index to and trade it. So those that don't use confirmation, you can just place your order here, but I don't trade the dollar index. I use it as a cheat code for my trading. So this happened on the 12th of November, 10:30. So let's go to Euro USD. I said I already did this, but I forgot that the source for my audio was my phone, not my phone and the microphone. So 12th of November, 10:30, boom. But this was our other block and price reacted from it. But this particular entry, I did not have my entry model for me to be able to enter, and price left without me and gave us another entry. But since this one was not fulfilled, I could not enter again, which was the reason why I could not place any trade last week or week before last, sorry. The only thing I had to do was just talk about my Forex journey and how I spent all my profits. So that's besides the point. The point is I've been able to identify a model with a higher win rate, but if I want to enter every single trade, I will have to sacrifice my RR. As you guys know, many times I have like a 1:10, 1:16, 17, 20. But if I want to catch every move, I have to sacrifice that for like maybe 1:6. And it's kind of going to be taxing, but yes, that's what we're going to do. So at least we have trades to post and also inspire others to be able to do the same. I'm just bringing out this cheat code here so that you guys can know that some things are possible. But then the downside to this strategy is that you won't trade a lot. You won't trade a lot. Like there'll be months or days where everybody in the forex market will be shouting, we are trading, we are doing this, we are doing this, and you just be waiting. Many people take SLs, they'll lose all their accounts, but you just be waiting, and boom, market will just deliver and you start winning. Just like in this place, I won in my personal account and also here. So these things work. And when it happens, you'll be selling. Like, look at the drone liquidity. You'll be selling so much that you don't know what to even do with the money. But this is a long time ago. This is October. November was a really bad ordeal. The market was just dumping or leaving me behind. I basically didn't trade that whole month. So I had people who trade more, they lost a lot, and this strategy has helped me not blow any accounts before. So I hope it can help you guys. I'll see you guys when I see you, but yeah, let me just cut this short. Okay, so I want to be straight with you guys. This strategy wins more than 50% of the time, but the only downside is that you have to sacrifice your RR. And without this strategy, I would win. My win rate was 25%, and you guys know that. I've showed it in one of my videos. My win was 25%. But even with that, because the RR was so fucking high, I would always win. And I'm trying to build this psychology, like, in myself. I've built it that even if I lost 7 trades in a row, I know that eventually I'm still going to make that profit back. So someone just passed by. So I know that I'm going to pass the challenge no matter what. A lot of people are winning. A lot of people have very high RR, very high win rate. But I know I am building my own system. I know I'm building myself. I know that I can do it. Life will not be fair, but we have to do something that helps ourselves, that helps us as human beings. We have to sacrifice things in order to be successful. What I mean by sacrifice, like sacrifice your time. Like you have to give up some things. And in this strategy I've developed, I know I have to give up the high RR, and I'm willing to give it up so at least I can put food on the table. You understand? And I hope God is with all you all and bless you all. See you the next one. Please like and subscribe.